take along, traveling many miles, knowing they get here. When they got here, all exhausted, on the roof leaks, they got started. And now when the rain comes, we can be thankful. Hundreds and hundreds of chemicals that mostly surround you. You wish to flee, but it's not like you. So listen to me, listen to me. Oh, and when the morning comes, we will step outside. We will not find another man inside. We like the newness of all that has grown in our garden, spoken for so long. Whenever I was a child, I wondered what if my name had changed into something more productive, like Roscoe. Been born in 1891, waiting with my Aunt Roseline. Thought we were due for a change or two around this place. This place